Playing games is a cross-generational thing everybody loves, from kids to seniors. Games are fun and a source of positive emotions. Do you have a spare time, having nothing to do, and just get bored while in quarantine? Yeah, I totally get that. But now, the real question is, do you want to be productive today and start earning a huge amount of income anywhere and at the same time enjoy and remove the boredom just by playing games? I'm back with the fantastic news you have been waiting for. What if I told you there's an app that can help you generate money online that you can download for free from the Google Play Store on your devices? The best part is that you can play this game with nothing more than your smartphone. How cool is that? And once you start playing games, I'm about to show you, you'll be able to earn over $300 every day. To keep an eye out as I demonstrate what I'm talking about. Hey there, welcome to Flatter Treasure. I want you to support my channel by giving a big thumbs up below. I post new money making methods every single week. So guys, if you don't want to miss out any future uploads, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and a fresh strategy to make money online. Also, you'll be one of the first to use it. Okay, now let's dive in. You'll come across gaining applications that would assist you in making simple money online, and I can assure you that once you have downloaded this application, you'll definitely enjoy that. In addition, I'll show you reviews that demonstrate we are fully dealing with legitimate apps that will pay you now. If you stick around until the finish of the video, I'll give you a bonus tip that will help you even more for sure. With that being said, the software in question is known as Gift Play, and now we are at giftplay.io, their official website. This software works by rewarding you for playing games. It states that you play, we play right here. When you open their site to prove it to you, here you can play free mobile games, make money, earn rewards and gift cards. As of now, this application is only accessible on Google Play. Unfortunately, it is not accessible on iOS, but we can accept that it would change in the near future. Anyway, one of the things I like about this application is that you don't have to play a game for a certain period of time to pay it every minute you spend. Playing games will earn you money. Finally, the more time you spend playing, the more coins you'll earn, and it's just that simple as that. Let's face it, who doesn't enjoy playing video games? It's entertaining, especially when you compare the others online making money or tactics that are tiresome and time-consuming to complete and pay a small amount you're able to read. Here you are seeking for a software that pays you for playing games. Introducing Gift Play, the software that allows you to make money and gift cards by playing games with no purchase required. So it's a no-cost application. You also don't have to pay them anything in order to get paid to play games. You can see that you are paid in coins, which you can exchange them for cash. Furthermore, referring others is another way to go for you to get money, so you may persuade some of your friends and family to check out this game, and if they do, you'll be paid and rewarded, which is fantastic. With that being said, I know many of you will appreciate the fact that you're only compensated through gift cards, and you can use your coins to get a PayPal cash out or a number of name gift cards including Amazon, Google Play and iTunes. So if you are a PayPal fan, you'll be happy to know that it's supported in this application. Now, just before we go any further, if you are interested in this video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up below, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment down below for me to review. Now let's get back to the video. Another great aspect of the Gift Play application that it has almost endless number of games and pick from, as well as a variety of game styles, categories such as casual, strategy, action, puzzle, adventure, arcade, and many other types of games are available. So you may also start accumulating cash by playing any game you like. Now, while they have a large number of games, the majority of them are only available in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and most European countries. Unfortunately, the number of games available in some countries is restricted, but I am confident that this will change eventually. You view that how this app looks on your smartphone device. If you scroll down on their homepage, and I bet many of you will enjoy it as much as I did. I can also prove that this application is genuine based on its reviews. You may check them out for yourself by visiting Google Play Store. GivePlay application has one of the most positive ratings I have ever seen with over 2800 ratings. It has a 4-star rating. This demonstrates that this app is completely legitimate and usable. As you can see that the majority of customers give it a 5-star rating, indicating that it obviously works and has paid out thousands of individuals. So go for it and download the software. You have nothing to lose, and I guarantee you'll not be disappointed. After all, that I have mentioned at the outset that I'll give you a bonus tip. So for those who have made it far, now instead of online playing games, the next platform I'm about to offer, you can earn money by doing other things, like we are on Irazu.com. Now this is the website in question. This website allows you to earn money in a variety of ways. As you can see, you may earn money by downloading apps, watching videos, doing surveys, complete offers, and last but not the least, play games. Speaking of getting paid, they'll pay you in cash or gift cards, as you can see right here, and they have already paid out more than $130 million. If any of you are unsure whether or not this is legitimate, as you can see that CNN, Yahoo, the Wall Street Journal, and other major corporations are included here. This is how it works in practice. You must first register on this website, then earn points by playing games, completing surveys, etc., and then select your prices. As you can see, they give Amazon gift cards, but PayPal is also an option if you prefer to be paid in cash. You may now learn more about Irazu by visiting this page. To begin making money here, simply click the join button in the right hand corner, and then you need to type your basic info and click create account. Alternatively, you can create your account faster by clicking join with Facebook. If you choose to establish an account by Gmail account and open a message that looks something like this, and then click on activate your Irazu account, and you'll be able to start earning money right away. So those are the programs I wanted to introduce you today, but the first is the one I pretty much recommend. I have tried a lot of applications so up to this point, and this is easily one of the finest. However, the best thing you can do to combine is both of the platforms I have showed you today. You'll be able to maximize your earnings and make as much money as necessary this way. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. This is it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Bye. See you soon.